Why do I post? Why do I post? Oh, my storage is full, and I have to delete many videos. And now I'm back, and I'm gonna sit here and just read it good. Look at that. Thanks so much. I will what the oh shit. Yeah, shut up, clean that. What the hell? Gross. This. Oh shoot, those looks like camera. Oh, your boy yesterday. No, we're talking. It's so good. Face reveal, no. No, yes or no. So I make a video but I'm not going to label. This is rain, of course. Myanmar, the rain is so heavily. Oh shoot! The drain is full. Shoot! A disaster will happen. Look at that color and my screen is cracked. Let's go garden. Sometimes it's Papa. Look like in the tornado. The body sleeping in my house. That's ready and put on the raincoat. The house is shaking. That rain. We're talking. So, what the heck is this? When is already stopped? Yeah. Let me take it. I have a strong already. This is too cold. I go under this bridge and clean. I'm drugging my nose. Close that door, close that door, close it. Close the door. Close. Oh, this is so foggy. I need to wipe my camera. Why? It's just for that. Okay. In real life, it is so. My mom is so annoying. I make everything say, I don't care. And she swears. Oh shit! Oh shit! This is nice. I don't see anything. Oh, this is daytime, but this is so bright. Yay! This is not perfect. Oh, this is too bright. Yeah. Talking about the sunlight. No. It's talking about the sunlight. That's not good. I didn't try that. What the? This is too much fun. You turn on airplane mode. I know. Airplane mode. I'm gonna watch on YouTube.
This Lego piece always disgusted me because it looked like a transfer that was pissed off. So I avoided it and left it at the bottom of the bin. I later went to rebuild an Exoforce mech from 2007 that used this piece and connected it to this light brick, but the light brick no longer worked. I just saw this yellow piece as an aesthetic healing tube for this gun that would never see the light until today, because I was determined to light up this tube, even though the light brick that was designed for it didn't work. I tried a newer light brick, but it didn't have the bar connection, so the light was spilling everywhere. I then tried to cover the sides with sticky tack, and it worked. The light was going through the tube, and miraculously coming through the other side. But I didn't count this as a win yet, because I didn't use official Lego building techniques, and the sticky tack could damage the delicate tube. So I looked to my collection and found that a Technic brick with a hole in it that was centered could fit a Technic pin with a stud on the end, which could then fit a bar connection for this tube, which then allowed me to finally see what this fueling tube looks like with the light on. The fiber optics plastic used lets light bounce through the tube like that. Only Google can comment on this video.